Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. This video is the final video in my focus series. And so here I begin this video with the word weight, body weight, average weight, weightlifting, weight training, weight loss, lose weight, gain weight, put on weight. Ajay has been doing weight training for 6 years. The boxes were heavy, so carrying 2 of them was too much weight to handle. Richa gained weight during her pregnancy. Now she has reached her target weight. She is watching her weight so that she will not put on weight again. The students were regrouped according to height and weight. The apple tree was bowed down with the weight of its fruits. The second word is yet, Y-E-T, yet, as yet, just yet, not yet, yet again. The kids have been playing all afternoon, yet they still have lots of energy. They are children after all. Children have lot of energy. Are you ready? Not yet. I need to put on my shirt. I haven't received the package yet. I'm wearing a thick coat, yet I'm still cold. I haven't seen that movie yet, so don't tell me how it ends. Have you finished your breakfast? I haven't finished my breakfast yet. The third word is yes. Y-E-S, yes. Yes or no? Yes, of course. Oh, yes. Do you want to go to the beach? Yes, yes, of course. I would love to. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. Are you coming with us? Yes or no? I suppose I'll come with you. Yes. Did you like the food? Yes, it's delicious. Can I borrow a pen? Yes, do help yourself. The pen is on the table. Mom asked me if I was hungry and I said yes. And now we come to the 500th word of the focus series, and that is east. E-A-S-T, east. East side. To the east. In the east. It's a good idea to watch sunrise on the east coast and sunset on the west coast. It's sunny on the east side of my house in the morning. The wind is blowing from the east. The birds are flying east. If you face north, the east is on your right. Travel east or travel west, a man's own home is still the best. So with these 4 words, we have finished all the 500 words in focus series, and also we will take a quick look on the 20 words, on the set of 20 words. So let's start with star, stood, sleep, strong, special, street, stay, surface, shape, snow, sit, wait, weak, warm, wheel, wonder, wait, yet, yes, east. So today in this video I have completed the 500 most useful words in English that will help you improve your English speaking skills. I have used all these words in different sentences. So you may ask me, why sentences? Sentences because Without sentences, language doesn't really work. True, there are still a lot of words that you don't know. But if you learn whole sentences, for example, the last word, the 500th word was east. Instead of the word east by itself, you can learn a lot faster with whole sentences. Why is focusing on sentences important? Just like letters build words, words build sentences. Sentences build language and give it personality. Without sentences, there's no real communication. Hoping that the videos in Focus series is helping you and will help you further to improve your skill in English. This is Sharmila wishing you all the best in your journey of speaking English confidently. I'll begin my next series on English grammar, starting with the parts of speech and simple English conversation. So meet you again in my next series on English grammar and English conversation. Till we meet again in my grammar class, it's bye-bye from me. So stay healthy, stay blessed, stay happy and take care. Thank you for always being my inspiration.